Hello, this is Sister Ali. It's Ate's last day, and she just wanna say a short speech.
Say thank you to everybody
Okay, no, tayo muna. First of all, we wanna say thank you for all the hospitality that you
from
have
Washington to
to
Washington,
Washington,
Seattle,
Seattle, Los Angeles, San Diego, New Jersey, San Bruno, and
Fairfield.
Fairfield. Ate, bakit nakita niyo ano?
Done,
We just want to say thank you from all of us.
Right there. Oh, I
Come on,
go
Lucia.
and say to everybody, thank you very much. I enjoyed staying here, even for a very short period of 1 month, but it's a joyful, memorable stay. I hope
see you again.
see you again, and I wish God bless you, and I wish you all the best of everything. Good luck, good health. God bless you.
San Diego. San Diego.
Hello, Kuya.
Hindi, let me just say anything. San Diego. Wala na.
Ay,
Just in
San-
case you'll get that. No.
Di-
San Diego,
uh,
San Diego, and
Tsaka,
Long Beach.
Mama, thank mama.
yun.
Mama, mama, di?
Yeah. Okay. Huh? You don't have to.
I think thank you very much for everything, and I wish we will see each other again. Nice meeting you and enjoying your company, and seeing everybody, my brother, my sisters, Rhea, and especially Sasha, my sobrina, being very naughty and very movable. I hope she will be always like that and be more healthy for more years.
Ching. And we want to say thank you for making her welcome here as usual. Our friends and family uh, that came to see her purposely. So wag kayo magsasawa. She'll come back again. So okay. Oh,
Just
that's
sa mga
baby.
taga East Coast, we will never have to had the chance
Ay,
to visit you there because for a short period, marami naubusan ng bakasyon si Babula, hanggang walang trabaho. We wish we can go there too, but siguro next time
Daddy,
you will go there by yourself.
daddy.
So she's leaving tomorrow. So we wish her the best.
Nakita yung
This is
yeah, oh.
Ew! Sasha! Hey, Daddy! No!
Sasha.
Sasha still on potty train.
Oh.
Okay, say night night.
Night.
Hey! Hey!
What the mommy says when she go home?
No, that's Daddy.
Daddy.
Oh, yeah, dito. Yes. Dito. Okay. So, paupo mo. No. Paupo mo. Okay, what does what does the oh wait, what does the doggy say? Doggy. Come on. Doggy. What does doggy say? Come on, baby.
What did duck say? Duck say.
Welcome.
The doggy? The doggy say what the doggy say? Come on, don't be shy.
What the cat say?
Cat.
Meow.
What the cow say?
The cow, what the cow? What does the daddy say when he goes night night? Daddy snoring.
Oh.
Naughty girl. Ay, hey, baby, don't do that. Don't do that.
I say, hey everybody.
Ako say, hi everybody. Hi.
Hey everybody.
Hey,
Hey
say
everybody.
hi.
No.
Wants to go swimming.
Me.
Okay. Thank you for everything and good
Bye.
night.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.